What is it, little baby?
How can you not get a good picture of a birdie?
What is it, baby?
Oh, got your tongue. Got your tongue. Got your tongue. And then I'll rip it off.
What is it, baby? What's Chicken doing?
She's playing.
What are you doing, Chicken?
Are you ever going to take Chicken out?
Chicken, are you a good girl?
Mama, are you ever going to take Chicken?
You a good girl? You are. Are you a bad bird?
No. Bad bird?
Okay. Are you a pretty bird? You're not? Oh, okay. You're a good girl and a pretty bird. Do you like the new baby?
Everybody.
You do? Can you say baby? No, you can't say baby. Oh, you can? I don't think you can. I think you're lying to me.
Ow! She hurt.
She bites you?
Yeah, it hurt. She's getting some grip. So small.
Y'all are goobers. See, there's a baby.
Mama,
there's
are you taking a
baby.
video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi, baby.
Oh, you're taking a picture.
Hi, baby. What are you doing, baby?
Look. Ow.
Get your dirty fingers out of her cage. Chicken's gonna come over and bite you too.
She's like, don't mess with the new girl.
Chicken's gonna bite you. Hey, Chicken.
She's like,
Chicken, can you shake, shake, shake? Come on, Chicken, shake.
Birdzilla.
Good girl. Good girl.
Ow. Go over. Hey, Mama.
You know, dum-dum. Let's see here. We got Nippers, the psychotic parakeet. Nippers, the psychotic parakeet. Nippers.
Whoa, dang.
We got birds all over this house.
Look at video of Piggy.
Piggy's in bed.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
That's my attack, Chicken.
Oh, she bit me on my eye.
On your eye? Well, you should have had your eye down there.
I'm just kidding. But she was
Hey,
pretty
Chicken.
darn close.
Does Matthew and Seth snuggle? They do? Ew. Do they spoon? Both of them saying yes.
What a spoon? What spoon? What spoon?
Oh, you lay next to each other, cuddled up.
Oh.
The other bird's saying yes too. Chicken, what are you doing? What are you doing, Chicken?
She's like, what's going on here? Mama, one day when I'm grounded, you should put me in there with Chicken.
Come here, Chicken.
And all that.
Come here, Chicken. Come over here. Come over here. Down. Down. Now shake. Shake. Good girl. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? You are.
Is the new bird a good girl? Is the new bird a good girl?
Yeah.
Do you like the new bird?
Yeah.
Like the new bird? Mama,
He wants us scratchy. Come here. Oh, you want to shake again. Shake. Good girl.
Chicken out.
Say bye, Chicken. Bye-bye.
My nanny makes friends. Mom, do you like that stuff?
What? The nanny.